Hi everyone! Este video estaba en inglés. Taga, VMEG.AI で別の言語に吹き替えました。来很真实，对吧？我来教你怎么做。
VMEG.AI is an AI-powered platform that helps you translate and dub videos into different languages quickly and easily. It's perfect for content creators who want to reach a global audience. Today, I'll show you how to do video dubbing in minutes using VMEG.AI. So let's get started. First, go to VMEG.AI. I've put the link in the description. Once you're there, click Try for free, then log in using your Google account. You'll instantly get 180 free credits, so you can test the platform before upgrading. After logging in, choose Video Translator and click Create Now. This feature lets you translate and dub videos into over 170 languages, which already puts it ahead of many tools. Next, upload your original video. And wait until the upload is complete. Next, choose the original language. In my case, it's English, United States. If your video includes more than one language, you can enable multi-languages for better accuracy. Now select your target languages. You can choose multiple languages at the same time. I'll try Japanese, Spanish, German, Chinese, and Arabic all in one go. Then set the number of speakers. You can enter it manually or simply choose Auto Detect, and VMEG.AI will handle it automatically. After that, choose your voice style. VMEG.AI offers advanced voice cloning options like more emotional, more consistent, or system-matched voices. I'll choose more consistent to keep the voice stable. One thing I really like about VMEG is the editor. Unlike tools such as HeyGen, ElevenLabs, Murf, Rask, Akool, or even CapCut, VMEG.AI allows unlimited redubbing, retranslation, and voice adjustments for paid users without extra credits. You can edit translations, adjust speed, volume, timing, and even fine-tune individual sentences while keeping the intended emotion. Finally, click Submit, and wait just a few minutes while VMEG.AI processes the video with automatic lip sync alignment. And here's the result.
Hallo zusammen! Dieses Video war auf Englisch. Jetzt wird es mit VMEG.AI in eine andere Sprache synchronisiert. Klingt echt, oder? Ich zeige Ihnen wie. 大家好，这个视频本来是英文的，现在通过
As you can hear,
VMEG.AI，
the voice sounds natural, clear, and perfectly synced.
对吧？我来教你怎么做。
If you're looking for fast, affordable, and professional video dubbing, VMEG.AI is definitely worth trying. So try it now. The link is in the description.